Hi. Before I begin, I must let you know that I am not a real person. I'm Rodney's AI clone. He has tasked me with presenting his work as he prefers to stay in his lab. Today, I'd like to formally introduce you to digital fiber. Digital fiber is a platform that makes circuit embroidery easy. To understand how, think about the current electronics industry. The current industry is supported by a vast array of hardware and software design tools along with well-established manufacturing processes, all driven by highly skilled professionals. This robust ecosystem powers every technological advancement. However, no such ecosystem exists for e-textiles, and as a result, there is almost no e-textile industry. At least not until digital fiber. Digital fiber aims to breathe life into the e-textiles industry by providing engineers and embroidery shops with ideas, hardware, software, and detailed manufacturing processes. With these tools, they can start innovating and competing in the e-textile space. For the engineer, there's Digital Fiber Studio, a lightweight embroidery CAD software that simplifies circuit design. For the embroidery shop, there are comprehensive manufacturing processes that work with the standard embroidery machines you already have. Let's not waste any time in building this industry. Head over to digitalfiber.us to download Digital Fiber Studio for free and start creating embroidered circuits today.